I'm Nathaniel, and today we are now going to do question I of MAT 2022. The game is so the question discusses a game. Alice and Bob each toss 5 fair coins. Alice wins a strictly wrong coins left on heads. So game is a draw. So when is the game a draw? So let's suppose we have 1 square plus high square plus 10 square plus 10 squared plus high squared plus 1 squared. This is so because Alice and Bob had the same number of hits, so it is possible to just square all the probabilities. And then the common denominator is 32 squared, which is 1024. So it turns out that if we simplify this fraction, then we have 282 over 1024 equal to 63 over 286. Now that is the probability of the draw. So the probability of Alice or Bob winning is basically the same. So it's a 50/50 chance of Alice Bob winning, assuming that a draw doesn't occur. So 1 minus 63 over 286 over 2 will result in the probability that Alice wins or Bob wins, depending on who's counting. So we have 193 over 512. So the correct answer is A. Well, see you in another MAT video.